please, Captain.
जल्दी कर यार, तुम तो बहुत आराम से कर रहे हैं, अभी आ गया.
Do it. Don't say okay. Do it.
Haji.
And hold it in your hand.
If the boat goes down,
Pull. Oh yeah.
Flip bunch off and not homie. He's 70 years old. I'm not going to flip him off.
Lack of focus is what they have. Lack of focus, lack of chemistry. I've seen them fighting the entire time behind the camera.
This is who I was sailing with, by the way.
So now you're shit on me because I did not do something that was going to exceed expectations.
we all go down.
किस मेरे को करना है?
You pull that. I'm pulling that. I'm Homi Maneksha. Today I am going to introduce you to sailing.
I'm Srishti Sharma. We are in Kolaba. We are going to learn how to sail today for an episode of Stop It Sanya. Someone stop.
Let's say this is the gateway of India. Alright?
My name is Anuj Gupta or Anuj at MP4 and we are at the Totalis office, of course, and we are going to be learning how to sail. And hopefully I don't drown is what happens tomorrow.
This is where all our boats are.
When I was a kid, my teachers were like, this bitch is really stupid. So they sent me for like that aptitude test and I found out that I was dyslexic. So I actually, like Darshil Safari, write everything ulta and all. So today you're going to witness me really suffering and struggling to learn.
So when she turns, there are certain calls which will be given. So when you tack, you say, this is the call given.
Ready, about to tack.
Right? Okay. This is sailor's language. This, who gives this call? It's the...
Captain.
No, he is known as the helm. He is the helm. The guy who is steering the boat.
The helm.
Alright?
I'm a little afraid of the learning part when we're doing it like with paper and pen and whiteboard, because like I said, I'm not very good at that, but I'm a visual learner, so I feel like I'll learn the day off.
The crew.
This one's CREW.
Turn this way. Yeah. The crew will do lookout or survey the water for clear waters. Okay, this is for the foresail plus
Balance.
okay. There are certain qualities which you need to either have or quickly imbibe. One is punctuality. Number 2 is commitment. And number 3 is you have to develop a certain grit.
Hand takes care of mainsail. And crew takes care of what? Wholesale.
Correct.
What do they take?
I think I need to capture this.
I'm very intelligent. I understood everything that was going on. I was nervous about the class because I'm usually the stupid one, but that was not a problem in this episode because they're really fucking dumb, He's like, wow, world's dumbest student.
So the sailboat that you'll be sailing on doesn't have a back, so you might fall over. So are you ready to sacrifice your life for the show?
Oh.
अभी अनुज बोलता है कहाँ लाके फंसा दिया मेरे को.
नहीं मेरे को तो मैं तो अभी सीखने को मिल रहा है इतना कुछ.
तो सीखने को तो मिलेगा ही. अभी तो और मिलेगा. उधर बम्बू भी मिलेगा. Ready about to tack?
Balance. Ropes. Don't touch the ropes. That's Ham's job. Ham's job?
No, cruise job.
Cruise job.
So you are the crew here.
Okay, hold the
ropes.
टाइम पे तो बोट गया पानी में.
Ready.
ये नहीं चलेगा. Well, I always hold my confidence very high in my students for the simple reason that if I am not confident about them, neither would they be about themselves. Let us do a mock drill. So we are moving forward. You are facing this way.
Okay, we're on the left right now. We are going forward.
There's no smoking on the boat. You can't smoke on the boat.
Sailing also is a character building activity. Smoke will be there, but from somewhere else. Yeah.
Oh.
Ready, about to tack. So you will survey the horizon. Okay. And also grab the ropes. Yeah. You've not said anything. I have said ready, about to tack.
we have to move. One second.
Now
What do
I'm
we have
ready.
to move? What do we have to move? One second.
We grab the rope.
It's fluttering. It's fluttering.
No, don't
We
flutter.
don't need it to flutter.
Okay, hold the rope.
Hold the rope.
You don't
hold the
say.
rope.
Okay. And I pushed the tiller, the boat started turning. So as it starts
It's not
turning,
said ready. It's not said ready.
so say so, hurry
You
up.
have to wait. One,
First
two,
check everything.
we are checking. And coast is clear. It's not fluttering.
Right there.
It's not fluttering.
Please,
Everything's okay.
please count the seconds.
And
Ready.
ready.
Okay, tacking.
Okay.
Hey, you don't leave the rope.
Hey, hold the rope.
Sitting here around the table, all of them are very enthusiastic. All of them are very keen. But once you are on the waters, how soon they give up? How soon or how they continue to strive is what will differentiate, as they say, the chef from the rice. Ready, about to tack.
Ready.
Tacking. Good. Now you believe it can happen?
Yeah, I believe.
The worst, I think, will be Sanya because she has all this big talk she's doing. I don't think she's gonna, walk the talk and walk the talk of the walk of the talk. Yeah.
I'm already thinking of my sailboat rap song. Brother, my brother, what you doing?
Taylor is what you
Taylor, I want that Skrilla. Boom.
Heel and kneel.
Why don't you let me do the rapping?
Well, for the students to answer in terms of doing, today they were all nodding their heads, all being very happy. As they say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating.
One, two, three. What a community! But who are we? Hi, I'm Zarwan Bansha. We are in Colaba. We are going to go sailing today. We're going to have a race, and I have no idea what to do.
Wait.
We're at the West Coast Marines. These are the guys that gave us the boat. They have a sailing school where you can learn how to sail with Homie. Yeah. And Homie has driven this boat many a times, but his photo is not there. Instead, they replaced him with a white woman, which was not fair. Homie, why is your photo not here?
Ask them.
Ask the women. Actually, he was just in here changing while the women took over the boat.
2 hours later.
So Zarwan has been put on my team as Kacha Nimbu person
Because she's so proficient at sailing, which is why they needed to balance it out and give her a noob amateur.
Now what we are going to do is, as I told you yesterday, this will be one of the boats we'll be going around.
Okay.
All right? Ready,
Moving
about
forward.
to tack?
Ready. Tacking. Tacking,
This is
whoa.
how you balance. You come this side.
All right. So do we all shift there?
Tacking. That was a successful tack.
All right, you remember that figure of 8 pose? So we went around Mirosa. Now we are going to go around this guy.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. What the two of you have to do is manage these two ropes, this black and white ropes. And the way to do it is, now the rope, the sail is on the port side.
Yes.
And the port rope has been pulled. You will not change sides as the boat turns because two of you are on either side. All right, I'll change sides.
Okay.
The thing is that I just would never have paid attention anyway because don't bloody call me on the podcast to learn shit, man. Like, I'm never going to do that. So, no, I was not paying attention at all and I refused to. So, thank you.
I'm already feeling like Vijay Mallya. You know, like really rich.
like bankrupt, living in London, afraid of the Indian government.
Yes, exactly like that, but on a boat.
And going on podcasts.
One second. Please stop jabbering, chattering yourself.
Sorry.
But they are shaping up very well. Okay. All right. But also faffing around quite a bit.
Anuj, amazingly professional, fantastically professional. Shrishti, fantastically professional, and great that you blamed it on Anuj. Fantastic. Guys, being late is the new cool. Being late is how you are truly professional. Remember, kids, be late, make people, inconvenience people who come earlier than before, inconvenience them, make them feel miserable. Because at the end of the day, y'all are the stars. Everything is about you. Woo!
Yeah, Headspace, I've been hearing a lot of chatter about how we were late and all, but that's what happens when you have a life, and you have things to do and you're busy. But yeah, it's great, and I feel great to be here. I'm feeling good. I'm not used to losing, actually. I'm not used to losing. So if I do lose, it'll be a first. Looking forward to it.
I think the game might be rigged, so I'll just copy whatever Sanya is doing. Whether it's like falling in the water, whatever it is, makes good content, I'm up for it.
Pull up your rope. Anuj, you need to pull it tighter.
Oh yeah, baby, we're sailing now. Yo. Yes, sir. Yeah, actually, I'm one with the ocean. Yeah, I'm a water baby myself, actually. Yeah, they call me
Jalpara actually.
That's my new name. Because like, I'm actually the king of the water. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, this rope, it's like a lagam. And this is my dhanno. She's white also, which is great. Because I love boats. What did you think I was going to say, huh? Dirty mind.
The most amazing, sexy best team is here on the boat, and the most losery team is over there with Homie. Homie hates them. He hates them.
He hates everyone, in fact.
He actually hates everyone.
The only reason he likes me is because I'm a Parsi.
He likes Zarwan a little bit, so we have a chance.
It's
we have
my
a good
nose.
shot.
And you know what they say about boys with long noses? They're really stupid.
So are we racing right now? Or we just
No, they're just timing you. They are just timing you going around.
Okay, then why aren't we going faster?
We have to. The wind will guide us into the how fast we go is dependent on the wind speed. So.
Okay, it's only during the turn that how fast.
Yeah. That's how fast can you tack.
Oh, advantage also on time punctuality. We were.
Yes, absolutely. That's what I was getting at.
We came here.
Lack of focus is what they have.
Lack of focus.
Lack of chemistry. I've seen them fighting the entire time behind the camera.
They hate each other.
They hate each other. They can't stand each other.
It's not a very good quality.
Look, they purposely decided to sit opposite each other.
Yeah, no, it's not about balance or anything. They just hate each other.
Yeah.
We sit on the same side. If we die, we die together.
We die together on the same hill. Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, as the boat turns.
Leaving, you pull, and when you're leaving, I'll pull. Shall you leave? I'll pull.
No, not just now.
Okay.
Why am I taking instructions from this guy?
Because even the sail has to do its job.
Yeah. Let the sail do its job right now. Let the sail do its job.
Okay.
Pulling up right now.
Ready, about to tack.
Okay. So you pull, I'll leave. No, I pull, you leave.
Tacking.
What? I mean, you don't have to pull, Shrishti.
I'm not pulling.
Then why are you pulling? Yeah, let it go. I saw you pull, by the way. I'm not pulling.
I was just holding it
No,
tight
pay
enough.
attention. Shrishti, I need you to lock in right now. We can't lose. I need you to lock the fuck in. Shrishti.
You know, just because you got to poop doesn't mean you shit on other people now.
That's a good one, huh, Shrishti? That's a good one. That's one of the first good ones from yesterday and today combined. What's up? I'm tacked up right now, boy. I'm tacked up. I'm tacked up right now, boy.
Obviously, the other team is unfocused, undedicated, late, unprofessional. So I guess we will definitely win because of it.
When we are there, can you all sing 10 rupees ki Pepsi? Sanya, you're so sexy.
Pull.
When I tell you, wait.
When he tells you, Shrishti, when he tells you.
Now, yeah, that's it.
Now.
Bas.
हो गया, Shrishti, कितना, Shrishti? Just please lock in.
You don't have to be so jealous of her, yeah.
I'm doing better than her.
That
I
depends.
don't think this is a competition between us.
No, but we should make it a competition between us so that we push each other's. Push each other.
Push each other is a bad metaphor to use on a boat.
Push each other to do better and in turn end up doing better than them. Yes, sir. Chal, tap me up.
This is how every toxic.
Tap me up. Let me tap.
Okay.
Smash that, bro. Tacking. Oh, I got tacked up. All right, baby, I'm tacked up right now. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Choro. See the sail. The sail is not properly.
Yeah, it's picking up the wind.
Kicho! You pull, Anuj.
Oh, me pull?
Yes. Pull.
Yeah,
Bas.
Bas? Aha.
If we had our own boat, Zarwan, you and me, what would we name it?
Dubki.
I like it.
Nice. Simple. Dubki. Simple. Doesn't it be funny sometimes? Sometimes it has to mean something to you. Like your heart gets inspired by it.
And the truth is, we've been trying to do Dubki for a while, but the water won't let us because of how dirty it is. AQI very bad, water pollution very bad.
Yeah, imagine if like the AQI is so bad and you jump into the water to save yourself and then it's just like infection. So you're just like, where do I run?
Okay. Both of you have done very well.
Thank you, sir.
Especially, साला हाथ मेरे से मिलाओ ना.
मैंने बहुत practice किया था.
Yes.
Okay. Especially as first timers.
Yes.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You now know the game of tacking at least.
Yes.
Yeah. And you are ready to take on
The ocean.
the others.
The others. Okay. I thought he's gonna say I'm ready to take on the ocean, but the ocean is massive.
The race was great actually. I thought we were doing great in the start. We were sailing pretty fast, which I thought is a great way to go because I was one with the water. I was one with the water and I felt it. And even Homie thought I was doing great. But again, I had Shrishti, the biggest liability on my team. So she's here, or?
Okay. So we'll start the first run.
Yes, let's go.
Yes. We have to exchange places then, or no?
No.
Okay.
Only the rope you'll exchange only the tightening and loosening of the
Okay,
rope.
so I will let go of this.
First,
now.
you got to master that. So let's
Okay,
see
come.
how fast you can do that.
Yes.
So tighten the rope, Zarwan. First, tighten it. Tighten it fully. That's it. Good.
अगर वो ज़्यादा तेज जा रहे होंगे ना,
I
अपन
think
क्या
तू
करेंगे?
उस boat पे होता तो तू परेशान कर
अपन
सकता
क्या
था
करेंगे ना,
उन्हें.
हम उनके आगे से थोड़ा क्रॉस करेंगे so that they'll be forced to tack, and then once they're tacking, we'll just go the other way so that they can't tack only.
Okay, ready about to tack?
Ready.
Tacking. इतना फ्लैप मत होने दो. Loosen it.
Loosening it.
Bas. And come and sit on this side now. Tacking.
Okay.
Hey, you don't leave the rope. Hold that rope. Hold that rope with you. Bring that rope with you.
That's fantastic.
That was amazing.
Okay, guys.
Are we starting the timer?
No, what? That's not fair. No. That's not fair.
No,
Guys.
this is rigged.
That's rigged.
And I'm putting all this on camera because it will be edited out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good call. Now we have proof.
Fuck, I forgot to press record. Can you guys please summarize it?
This is who I was sailing with, by the way.
I learned that it's okay to listen to one man, but maybe not two men. That's too much.
Oh, lovely. We're getting the breeze, huh?
तेरा छोड़ loosen कर. See the sail.
Oh, yeah. Actually, sorry.
You got to pull up.
You're careful, bro.
तान्या और खींच यार. दम लगाओ. ऐसा दम लगाओ.
Very good. Nice positioning. You changed our position. Huh?
See the waves we are making, yeah.
So
We are shaking up the other boats.
Oh, that's a big wave, huh? Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. Oh.
To dream catcher to become dream catched.
Yeah. Dream caught.
Dream caught.
Oh my
I was going to say.
Ozone.
Scottish में they didn't teach you English, no?
This is the effect of
Okay, so they're tacking.
tacking.
Tighten.
ये ऐसा मौका कहाँ मिलेगा?
ऐसा मौका कहाँ मिलेगा?
हमारे जैसा बोट कहाँ मिलेगा? आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ मुंबई की एक रंगीन शाम. देखो.
Homie's in a good mood now.
So is my boat, yeah.
We are tacking well, no, but homie, we are doing not
Ready
bad.
about to tack.
Tacking.
Tacking.
भाई ये क्या चल रहा है? That's very tilted. Oh dude, what the fuck?
I'll be the king of the pirates.
Oh, we're very
Tilty.
tilty.
If I had to do this again, the one thing I wish I would have done is I went down and sat, and I kind of wish I'd sat upper because it would give me more power to, you know, pull, because I have the gains, you know. It's just that I wasn't able to use my gains rightfully so. Zoma.
Work for me in the challenge was just my pace and calmness, you know. I took every instruction as I was told, and I think I really, like, you know, took it in my stride. Get stride, because waves, you know. You like that reference? I learned how to do that from Omi. Yeah, he was making a lot of sailing references, so yeah.
हमारा कर देना.
Whoever worked hardest.
Okay, chalo.
He said
Hold my hand.
like he didn't believe it.
I knew you were Manoti. You always come second.
Yes, the winner.
Why? But why is it us? Can you tell us?
They worked very hard, which was
Anu just left the chat.
Aw, loser.
It's a disgrace. This is a disgrace. I've been rigged against. They've rigged this. Because they paid for the production, that's why this happened, okay? If I paid production, it would never have happened, okay? I swear to God, this is rigged. This is rigged, okay?
He's giving that to
I honestly don't think that is the worst. I'll come back to you, by the way.
You're giving Delhi right now. I see it.
Anuj, first Srishti. Congratulations. Congratulations. Anuj.
Participation certificate between two
Next time we sail faster. Yeah.
This is so American coded.
This is for Sana and Zarwan. It's the same, no worries. Just a participation certificate. Thank you very much. Thank you. Guys, you sacrifice your life. Okay, that's all. And thank you.
It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace.
Roger, my brother.
She didn't trail my squealer because she said you lost.